Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap West Covina local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers offers customers professional, expert services to get the job done. We offer services for all of your moving needs, from packing to unpacking. Our movers will arrive in a timely fashion to start moving day on the right foot. Moving is both efficient and affordable when you work with us, and you'll get a free quote to guarantee it. You're taking a big step if you're moving out of state or out of the country. Such a big move must not be so intimidating to you. But packing all of your things and getting them from point A to point B? Now that is intimidating. Not to worry. Our movers will safely pack your belongings and securely load them into our trucks for a long, safe road ahead. Let us handle the move while you take care of the more important things. You've been working hard and are finally ready to have more space for your family or to expand your business. But congratulating you might be premature, because it's not official until you are fully moved into your new space. Let us speed up the process for you. Our movers will finish moving you locally in only a few hours. Get your speech for an evening toast in order. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our West Covina moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.